Okay, let's start. Here you have to choose between A or B, which is correct. Okay, try to guess which is correct, A or B. Okay, let's start with you, Sulaiman. Yes, Sulaiman.
Yes, teacher, Miss Sulaiman.
Yes, honey. So, Sulaiman, a change in matter can be physical or chemical. True or false?
True.
Yeah, great job, Sulaiman. True, the change in matter can be physical or chemical. Thanks a lot, Sulaiman. Super boy. Okay, yes. After Sulaiman, yes. Yahya Hussein. Yahya Hussein.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, yes. Tell me, Yahya. In which change, it's easy to change the matter back. It's easy to change the matter back in the chemical or physical.
Physical.
Great job, Yahya. Super. In the physical, it's easy to change the matter back. Thanks, honey. Yes, Marzu. Marzu?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. When something gets wet or dries, like the mud, okay? Like the mud, the picture of the mud. If you when wet or dries, okay? Wet or dries, like the mud, it's a chemical change. True or false?
True.
Look, Marzu. Look at this mud. Where it is. Yeah. Here it's dry and here it is wet, okay? This change, it's a chemical. We cannot change the wet one to the dry one again, and the dry we cannot change it to the wet. And here we have a different kind of matter, or it's still a mud. Yes, Marzu, it's still a mud or change?
Change.
Change. Are you sure? So when wet or dry,
False.
it's a chemical.
False.
Chemical
False.
or yes.
What?
Physical.
False.
Physical. It's a
Physical.
physical change. When the something get wet or dries, it's a physical. It's a
Physical.
Marzu. Great job. Yes, Abdullah Abdulaziz.
Yes.
Yes, honey. Okay, let's tell me. During the physical change, one kind of matter changes into different kind of matter in the physical. It's true or false? Like if you cut the paper, now it's a physical change. One kind of matter changes into different kind. True or false?
False.
False. Great job. We have the same kind of matter. It's still the same kind of. Yes, honey, it's still the same kind of matter. The same kind of.
Matter.
Thanks a lot, Abdullah. Super. Yes, Saqr. Saqr.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. So, Saqr, in the chemical change, it's not easy to change the matter back. True or false? True. Great.
True.
Thanks a lot. Amazing, honey. Okay, yes, Saud. Saud, what's wrong? Okay. Jasser. Jasser.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, tell me, Jasser. How does one kind of matter become a different kind of matter? When it breaks into pieces or when it goes through a chemical change? Yes, I'm sorry, Jasser. I ask you to unmute again.
Yes, teacher. When it goes through a chemical change.
Great job and faster. Amazing, Jasser. MashaAllah. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, yes. Abdulaziz Mansour. Abdulaziz Mansour.
Yes, teacher.
Just tell me, honey. Okay. Yes, Abdulaziz.
Teacher, Teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Abdulaziz. Okay, so tell me, honey.
Yes.
I'm sorry, what's wrong? So physical change cause a change of the shape in the shape of the matter. True or false? Physical cause a change in the shape of the matter. True or false?
False.
Physical, honey. I ask you about the physical change cause change in the shape of matter. True or false? Like if you cut
True.
if you bend the paper.
True.
It's true. Great job, Abdulaziz. Thanks a lot, honey. Super. Yes, Abdullah Al-Hakami. Abdullah
Yes,
Al-Hakami.
teacher.
Yes, honey. Let's identify this description and tell me it's a physical change or it's a chemical, okay? When a screw rust in the rain, the metal iron rust in the rain. It's a physical or chemical?
Physical or a chemical?
Look, like this. This iron screw rust in the rain. It's a chemical or physical? Can you change?
A chemical.
Can you change it back, or now you have a different kind of matter, new matter?
No, you can't change it back.
You can, so excellent, you can. So if you cannot change it back, it's a chemical or physical?
Chemical or physical?
Yeah, if you cannot change it back, chemical or physical?
Physical.
Yeah, great job, it's a chemical. Thanks a lot, Abdullah, super. Thanks, honey. Yes. Hamad, I'm sorry because I promised you to be the first one. I'm sorry. Yes, Hamad?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey, I'm sorry. Just tell me, Hamad, let's identify this description. A piece of paper is folded. When the piece of paper is folded, it's a chemical or it's a physical?
Chemical.
Chemical. Now, you have a different kind of matter. The paper changed into different kind.
No, physical.
Yes, it's a physical because the paper is still the same, just it is folded to make different shape. Just a change in the shape. Yes, Hamad?
Yes.
Yes, thanks a lot, Hamad. Great job. Yes, Amr? Amr?
Yes, teacher.
Amr?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, honey. Wait. Identify this description again. When an egg is fried, when an egg is fried, it's chemical or physical? Can you change the egg back? Can you turn it back? Amr? I'm sorry. I asked you to unmute again, Amr.
No.
Can you change it back or no?
No.
Of course, no. So it is a chemical or physical?
Chemical.
Great job, Amr, because we cannot turn it back. It's a chemical change. Thanks a lot, Amr. Super. Yes, Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman? What's wrong? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, hon. Let's tell me, Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
When a pole gets wet, it's a chemical or physical?
Chemical.
Like when your clothes gets wet, it's a chemical. Now your clothes change into another thing. Look, the pole gets wet by the water. Now you have a different kind of matter, or it's still a pole. Yes, Abdurrahman? Still a pole. Great job. So if it is still the same, it's a chemical or physical? Yes, Abdurrahman.
Physical.
Yes, great job. It's a physical. Thanks a lot, Abdurrahman, and super. Okay, yes. يحيى مؤيد. يحيى.
Yes, yes.
Yes, honey. When Yahya, peach turns brown. When the peach turns brown by the air. Now you can change it back to the normal.
No, no.
So it's a physical or chemical?
Chemical.
Great job, Yahya. Faster boy. Thanks, honey. Yes, Turkey? Turkey? Turkey طلال? Yes, Sultan Salah?
Yes, Turkey.
Yes, Turkey. Okay. So, Turkey, when a rock breaks down into soil, now the rocks change into another thing, or it's still the same rocks, but with... Yes, wait, Sultan. Wait, honey.
Again.
Yes, Turkey, listen. When the rocks breaks down into soil, now the rocks change into another thing, or it's still a rocks. Yes, look at this picture. It's still a rocks, but with small pieces. So this change, it's a physical or chemical?
Chemical.
Again, I can't hear you. Physical or chemical?
Chemical.
It's a physical because it's a change in the shape. Physical. Thanks a lot, Turkey. Super. Yes, Sultan Salah? Sultan Salah? Yes, honey. Okay, be ready. When an egg is fried, it's a physical or chemical, Sultan? Again? I can't hear you. Again? Yes, again, honey?
Chemical.
It's a chemical because can you change the egg back? Can you turn it back or no?
No.
No, so it's a chemical. Great job, Sultan. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Abdulaziz Assam.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so tell me, Abdulaziz Assam, a change in matter can be physical or chemical. It's a true or false?
What?
A change in matter can be physical or chemical. True or false?
True.
Yes, true. Great job, honey. Thanks a lot. Super. True. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, honey. Yes. Muhammad Riyad. Muhammad Riyad. If anyone open the mic, turn off. Yes, Turkey. Turn off your mic, Turkey. Okay. Yes, Muhammad Riyad. Yes, Kusai. Kusai. Yes, Agab.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Me Qusay.
Yes, okay. Wait, Kusai. So tell me, Kusai, in which change it's easy to change the matter back? Chemical or physical?
Physical.
Great job. In the physical, it's easy to change the matter back. Thanks a lot, Kusai. Super. Yes, Agab? Agab? Yes, Basil? Basil? Zaid?
Yes, teacher, I am Basil.
Okay, so Basil, tell me, honey, when something gets wet or dry, it's a chemical change, true or false?
True.
It's a chemical. Look, like this ball. When the ball now wet in the water, now it's changed into a different thing or it's still a ball?
Fall.
It's still a ball. It's still a ball. It's still a
Fall.
yes. So when I ask you when something gets wet or dries, it's a chemical, true or false?
True.
True. It's still a ball, honey. So it's a physical. It's a physical. Look, it's not true. It's a physical. It's a
False.
it's a physical. It's not chemical because it's still the same paper. Because it's still the same matter. The same Matter.
Mother.
Is false. Thanks a lot, Basil. Okay, yes, Yusuf. Yusuf. Yusuf.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Just tell me, Yusuf, during the physical change, one kind of matter changes into a different kind of matter. True or false?
True.
Listen well, Yusuf. During the physical change, one kind of matter changes into different kind of matter.
False. False.
Yes. It's false. In which matter changes into different kind, physical or chemical?
Teacher, you call me. I'm Muhammad Riyad.
Wait, Muhammad Riyad. Yes, Yusuf?
Yes, teacher.
In which change the matter changes into different kind, physical or chemical?
What?
In which change the matter changes into a different kind, physical or chemical?
Physical.
Different kind, Yusuf, no kind. Chemical, Yusuf.
Chemical.
Yes, Yusuf, it's a chemical. Thanks a lot, Yusuf. Yes, Hatem? Hatem?
Yes.
Okay, honey. In the chemical change, it's not easy to change the matter back. True or false?
True.
Yeah, great job. In the chemical change, it's not easy. It's hard. Thanks a lot, Hatem. Super. Yes, Subhi? Subhi?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. Tell me. Okay, physical change causes a change in the shape of matter. Physical.
No, false. False. Mad.
Listen well, Subhi. Physical change causes a change in the shape of matter. True or false?
True. True. True.
Not false, it's true. Physical causes a change in the shape. Physical causes a change in the...
False.
No, it's not false.
Yeah.
True. So, Subhi, physical change causes a change in the shape. Change in the...
Yes.
In the shape. In the...
Shape.
In the shape of matter. Thanks a lot, Subhi. In the shape of
Thank
matter. Okay. Yes, Malik? Malik?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, tell me, Malik. Tell me when an iron screw rusts in the rain. Look at this picture like this picture. When the iron screw rusts in the rain. Now, this metal iron. What happened to this metal iron? It's a physical or chemical?
Physical.
Physical, can you change it back? It's easy to change it back. Or no?
No.
So if it is no, it's a chemical or physical?
Chemical.
Yeah, it's a chemical. If we cannot change the matter back, so it's a chemical. It's a
Chemical.
Malik. Thanks a lot, Malik. It's a chemical. Yes, Saud? 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 Yes, Saud. So when a piece of paper is folded, when a piece of paper is cutted, it's a chemical or physical, Saud?
Chemical.
Chemical, now you have a different matter or it's a paper? Chemical or physical, Saud?
Physical.
Physical. Thank you so much, Saud. Okay, yes, Mishari? Mishari? Mishari?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, okay. Tell me, honey. Okay. When an egg is fried, when you cook the egg, it's fried. It's chemical or physical?
Chemical.
Great job, chemical. Because can you change that? Can you turn the egg back? Turn it back or no?
No.
So it's a chemical. Great job, Shari. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, honey.
I don't know. Me, I don't know it. Me.
You don't know what, Mishari?
Chemical.
Yes, it's a chemical. Great. It's a chemical. It's correct. Thanks, Mishari. Yes, Abdullah Muhammad Said.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. Okay. Tell me, Abdullah, when a ball gets wet, tell me about this description. It's identified. It's a chemical or physical?
Physical.
Great job. Why it's physical? Because? Can you, because it's now we have a different kind of matter, or it's still the same?
It's still the same.
Yeah, and can you change it back? Turn it back? The wet one to the into dry?
Yes, you can.
It's easy, so it's a physical. Great job. Thanks a lot, Abdullah. Yes, Omar Al-Fayfi.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Omar. Just tell me when a peach turns brown. Now, it's a chemical or physical?
It is a chemical.
Great job. Because can you turn it back or no? It's not easy.
No.
Yeah, it's not easy to turn it back. Thanks a lot, Amr. Super. Yes, Muhammad Al-Mahani.
Omar Muhammad.
Yes, I'm sorry, Amr. Thanks. Yes, Muhammad Mahani.
Teacher.
Yes, honey. Okay, so it's a chemical. Thanks, Amr. What's wrong? Okay. So tell me, Muhammad, when a rock breaks down into soil, the rock breaks down into the soil. The rocks will change into small pieces. So it's a physical or chemical?
Chemical.
Look, Muhammad. Now the rocks, I will show you the picture. This is the rocks. Changes into small pieces, but still as a rocks. So it's a physical or chemical?
Physical.
Great job. When it's still rocks, it's a physical. It's a physical. Where is it? Where? Yeah, it's a physical. It's a, wait, where? Yeah, it's a physical. Thanks a lot, Muhammad. Super. Okay. Yes, Abdullah Qasim. Abdullah Muhammad Qasim. Abdullah Muhammad Qasim. I can't hear you, Abdullah. Sultan Naif. Sultan Naif. Sultan Bashir. Sultan Bashir.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Sultan. Okay. Let's tell me, Sultan. So, Sultan, the matter can change in a physical and chemical, or change in matter can be a physical or chemical. True or false, Sultan?
True.
Yes, it's true. Great job, Sultan. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Osama? Osama?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Osama. In which change it's easy to change the matter back? Physical or chemical?
Physical.
Great job, Osama. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Salim. Salim?
Yes.
Yes, Salim.
Yes.
When something gets wet or dry. Now, it's a chemical change when you put water on your clothes. It's a physical or chemical? Yeah,
Physical.
it's a physical. So when I ask you it's a chemical, it's a true or false?
True.
Huh. You say physical, but here the question is asked you.
False.
Yeah, it is false. Great job, Salim. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, yes. Yes, turn off your mic, please. Yes, Omar Saeed. Omar Saeed.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Let's tell me, Omar, when an iron straw rusts in the rain, it's a physical or chemical change?
And iron rusts in the rain.
Yeah.
Physical?
Look, I will show you the picture. Like this picture. Now the metal ion.
Oh, no chemical.
Yes, it's a chemical, okay? So you can understand and imagine the picture, okay?
Okay.
So honey, it's a chemical. It's a chemical. Thanks a lot, Super boy. Yes. Omar Said. Omar Said. What's wrong, Omar Said? I can't hear your voice. Sorry.
Teacher, I am.
Omar Adel, I'm sorry, Omar Adel. Omar Adel? Yes, I'm sorry, Omar Adel.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey, okay. Tell me, when an egg is fried, it's a physical or a chemical?
Chemical.
Great job, because we cannot turn it back. Super. Yes, Nasser? 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 Yes, Muhammad Riyad? Muhammad Riyad? Zaid?
Yes, I'm Mohammed Riyad.
Okay, so tell me, Muhammad, in the chemical change, it is not easy to change the matter back. True or false?
True or false? True, true.
Yes, true. Great job. Thanks, Muhammad. Super boy. Okay, it's true. Okay. Yes, Jabir. Jabir?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jabir. Okay, tell me, Jabir. Physical
Yes.
the change in the shape of matter. Physical change causes a change in the shape of matter. True or false, Jabir?
False.
Look, Jabir, physical. Change in the shape.
True.
If you cut the paper, change in the shape of matter. It's true, yeah. It's, sorry, it's true. Yeah, thanks a lot, Jabir. Great job. Okay, yes, Ali? Ali?
Yes.
Yes, Ali. So, Ali, let's tell me about this description. When an iron screw rusts in the rain, it's a physical or chemical?
Chemical.
Great job. It's a chemical. Thanks a lot, Ali. Super. Okay. So I think Abdullah Muhammad Qasim, I can't hear you. I think you have a problem. Your connection. Okay, someone start with S. I ask you to unmute. I ask you to unmute. I can't read your name. I ask you to unmute. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you say my name?
I'm sorry. I can't see your name, so I ask you to unmute. I'm sorry. Thanks a lot, Sakr. Okay. If anyone don't answer, let's open your mic now.
أنا أنقل عن إيش؟
أنقذ.
Saud, you answer. Turn off your mic. If anyone is not answer now, can you open your mic? I ask all of you to unmute. If you cannot open it.
Teacher. Teacher Abdullah Hakim is not answer.
Abdullah Muhammad is answer. Abdullah Muhammad Said is answer. Yes, Agab. Can you answer now, Agab? No. One by one.
No.
Yes, Agab. Agab, can you answer now? Agab, can you?
No answer.
Yes, listen to me. Agab.
Yes.
So when a piece of paper is folded, Agab, is cut it.
Yes.
It's chemical or physical change? Hamad, please turn off your mic. Yes, Agab, it's a chemical or physical?
Physical.
Great job, Agab. It's a physical. Thanks. Yes, physical, Agab, physical. It's still the same paper. Anyone is not answer? Thanks a lot, Agab. Anyone is not answer?
Bye. I like you, teacher.
I love you so much, honey. Thanks. Muhammad Fahd, are you here? Muhammad Fahd? Muhammad Fahd? Okay, so Sultan Naif, try to open your mic. Zaid, try to open your mic. Abdullah Muhammad Qasim. Now you can.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Are you Sultan Naif? It's Sultan. I got your name before. So Sultan.
Yes, teacher.
Is Sultan, when an egg is fried, it's a chemical or physical, Sultan? Nasser, turn off your camera, Nasser. Sultan, when an egg is fried, it's a chemical or physical? Yes, Sultan. Sultan, can you hear my voice? Honey,
Yes.
an egg,
Yes,
can you turn it back? Can you turn the egg back or it's not easy?
Not easy.
Yes, so if it is not easy, it's a chemical. It's a chemical change. It's a chemical. Thanks a lot, Sultan, and thanks for all of you. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Thanks, grade 2.